He didn't eat the coffee.
That's probably what they were saying. Check for bed bugs, please. Perfect timing, actually.
I would like to try to at least rest because we do have to work.
Yeah. We're boat camping.
On accident.
Can't even see the man.
On my hair.
We made it back. And we're having bear mac. So it's about 8:40 in the morning, and I'm gonna make this a little more concise than the first one because I didn't even hit the record button. So I'm gonna be making a trip into Wasilla to the Walmart to check on a battery warranty, see if I can swap out batteries today. We use a deep cycle 12 volt for our Vivor diesel heater that we use for when we leave the house or when we decide to, sleep in a little bit, not want to tend to the fire. The house stays a welcoming temperature for the animals and everybody. So that's the start for my today.
You can nail yours in.
I'm starting this
That's enough. Oh, you like it?
studs, cripples, anything like that, is flush to this face as well. If not, it's better to err on the side of the shoulder because your sheeting on the outside of the house goes across this face. And if this bulges out at all, your sheeting is not going to sit down on this.
That makes sense.
62, 63, 64. Come on. Why are you picturing me hammer?
Because I'm getting on video. You're really hammer.
That was cool, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that went perfectly. Nobody died.
Nice.
That was crazy.
Look at the camera. I love you, Thanos. He's gonna smile as soon as he turns around. He always does.
You saw me do it. So close.
Air ride is no good for negative temperatures.
For anything ever.
He's such a trooper. He's so patient.
Today is January 2nd. It's like -21, and the plan for today is I'll be insulating the addition floor and getting that all buttoned up. One thing I want to talk about with this floor is I made it beefier than probably necessary, but these are 2x10 and they're 16 on center spacing rather than what would normally be 2-foot spacing. And that's probably unnecessary, but I'd rather it be beefy without needing it to be, rather than wishing that I had made it beefier. And the reason for that is that the addition currently is going to be flat roofed, but that's in anticipation that we're going to be extending our bedroom loft out over the top of the addition, kind of creating the addition's current roof into what will be our bedroom floor. So it'll be having to bear more weight, which is why I did the floor system as heavy as I did, because that'll be not just the addition's weight on the floor, but the addition plus the bedroom extension on this floor system. So I wanted it to be kind of hefty, and that also coupled with the fact that we live in a very seismically active area, I don't want to take a chance of there being any movement in this floor whatsoever. Kids need to be sleeping safely in this room. Our room will be eventually over the top of this room. It's not just like an outbuilding. This is where my family sleeps. So it needs to be beefy and able to tolerate movement and frost fluctuations underground. I'll talk about the foundation here in a little bit, but that's the plan. Throw these insulation bats up, get this all buttoned up, and then I will move on to a couple other things I have left to do on the inside, and hopefully we'll be moving belongings into the addition in the next couple days. So that's the hope.
Are you proud?
I'm so proud.
I love you.
I love you.
It's cold outside.
Yeah, I brought you your water.
Thank you. I'm thirsty. Oh wow. Hello.
Hi. What are we grabbing?
We got windows for our walls.
Windows!